Here is a technical outlook on US100. So US100 traded and closed at $24,016 level. Okay, and technically we know that place to be a previous resistance which turned support. Now we can see that the previous prevailing trend is beginning to decline. We previously had here as a level where price broke and made a new high. Price also broke here to make the new high, and we see that it has declined. Okay, so from the daily time frame, we know that the market is trending bullish. Yeah, it is trending bullish, but since it is already beginning to decline, we have this price here as a level to take a close look at. Okay, so we have here as a level where we take a close look at, because we had a break of structure from there. What I simply means is that buyers that were previously pushing the market up from that level has finally given up and price declined further. So could this be opportunity for buyers to step in again, or we're going to see further bearish move away from that level? Well, let's take a look at the H4 time frame and visualize the market better. Here from the H4 time frame, it is very clear that the prevailing trend is beginning to weaken. This is the prevailing trend, which is bullish trend. It has dropped to the negative side. So from the look of things from the H4 time frame, I believe price is going to drop further. Yeah, I believe price is going to drop further. And with that being said, from the intraday time frame, we are looking for a sell opportunity. Also, when we consider the nature of this drop here, we can see that it is very impulsive. So we are looking out to selling US100. So we will make our entry from the 1 hour time frame, which from the 1 hour time frame we can see that price consolidated for like 2 hours here and dropped further. So we are going to look for a sell opportunity this coming trading week. Also, we still have a probability of seeing price make a rebound. Yes, we previously had buyers here, they've panic sold, so there is every tendency that market can still rebound and start to trade bullish. Okay, so that is the second scenario that we are likely going to see in US100, but we are going in for a sell. We are countering the trend, considering the fact that the market that started buying all the way up from here has completely declined to negative. So we expect further drop to occur in this market. So the next pair we want to look into is gold. Here on gold, let me go to the daily time frame. Here from the daily time frame, okay, we don't have much price action here from the daily time frame, but from the daily time frame, all we see is a market that keeps making all-time high. Okay, so this is the all-time high, which is $4,056 level. So we see a price that keeps on making all-time high. So from the H4 time frame, what we are going to see is possible bullish price action continuation. We can see that price is tending to find a low here. The buyers that were sitting pretty nice here are still reacting nicely to the market, so we are still seeing this trend. So how we are going to position ourselves for the possible buy opportunity that may come out of this market is this. We are waiting to see 100% pullback. Okay, so this previous drop in the market, we are going to wait for a time it will weaken further. If it weaken like 100%, we are going to buy. What that simply means is if price push back to the all-time high here, then we will consider buying it.
Power off.
We are considering to buy once we notice that price is already breaking the all-time high. without that, we are also likely going to see price drop further. So this is the setup we have on gold. So we are going to make our entry from the 1 hour time frame, because from the 1 hour time frame, what we can see from here, from the 1 hour perspective, is that price is currently at the resistance level. We see how here got resisted, price closed just right there. So we've not really seen any price action that will make us decide what to do on gold. But if we have a break above the resistance level, then we consider longing the pair.